Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my annual what I got for Christmas video, and as you can see back here, there are a lot of goodies from Dior. I kind of got carried away with their really gorgeous holiday packaging, and I also got myself something from Chanel, but that actually hasn't arrived yet, so I'll unbox that for you guys in like a week or two. And I really hope you guys had an amazing, wonderful Christmas, and I would love to know what you got for Christmas, and did you buy yourself anything? Because yeah, some of the stuff is definitely a present from me to myself. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it. And today's video is in collaboration with Dossier, so thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring this part of today's video. So for Christmas, they gifted me with 3 items from their range of not only perfumes, but they recently launched candles too. So I'll start with the candle first because this was really surprising. I have the scent that this candle is inspired by. And once I took this out of the box, not even the candle out of this cardboard box, but just when I took this out of the shipping box, I already knew the scent because it was identical. So this one is called Floriento Vanilla, and it's inspired by the YSL Black Opium scent. And one of the things that I always wish companies would do is create candles that smell like their perfumes, or even vice versa. And I love that Dossier did this because I really love the Black Opium scent, and it's just amazing being able to use a candle that smells like that. So the other 2 items that they gifted me are both perfumes. One of them is this one here, which is inspired by the Armani C Eau de Perfume, and this one is called Woody Freesia, and I've already tried both of these scents. So this one, I don't actually have the Armani perfume to compare it to, but this smells really amazing, and I would compare this to another one of Dossier's perfumes, which is called Floral Peony, which is inspired by Chloe's Eau de Perfume. This, I would say, is a little bit lighter and a little bit fruitier smelling. So if you like that type of fruity floral scent, I think you would really like this. And yeah, those are really the type of scents that I go for. And the other one is called, this one's called Floriento Marshmallow, and this one is inspired by the Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian perfume. And the reason I chose this is because I read somewhere that the By Kilian perfume is Rihanna's go-to perfume. So I was like, okay, I have to try this, and I really do love this scent. It's not the usual type of scent that I go for, but there is a little hint of like a slight sweetness. It does smell like marshmallow to me actually, but it's like a very sophisticated type of marshmallow scent. It's not one of those like sickeningly sweet perfumes at all. And yeah, I really love these 2 new additions to my collection, and Dossier definitely has so many scents on their website to choose from. They're constantly expanding their range. Every time I go on their website, there's always new scents that I didn't know was there before. And their bestsellers category has so many amazing perfumes that are inspired by like the scents that I'm pretty sure everyone has heard about. And they also, on their item pages, they do list some other perfumes that you can pair these perfumes with. So if you're the type to layer your perfumes, they give you some amazing suggestions. So definitely check them out. I'll leave a link to their website as well as their bestsellers category down in the description box below. And Dossier was also very kind to offer a giveaway for my subscribers in today's video. So all you have to do to enter is leave a comment down below saying that you would like to enter, and also let me know what are your favorite notes in a perfume. And this giveaway will be open for a week. Unfortunately, this giveaway will only be open to those of you guys who live in the US, but good luck to everyone who is entering this giveaway. And once again, thanks to Dossier for not only sponsoring this video, but doing this very generous giveaway. And before we move into the Dior boxes, I first wanted to show you guys a scarf that I got for myself, and it is this light blue scarf from Burberry in their classic checker pattern. And this scarf is so soft, just like all of their other cashmere scarves actually. I now own, I believe this is the 6th one. Technically one of them is my husband's, but I also wear that when he's wearing one of the other colors that is mine. So between the two of us, we have 6 of these cashmere scarves from Burberry. And I absolutely love these scarves, obviously, because I have 6 of them. It's so soft, and I don't think any other scarf that I've ever gotten can compare to this. And the reason I decided to get another one is really because I got this light blue colored bag. And am I the only one that does this? But when you get like a new bag, you think of all these ways to match that bag, and because it's now the winter season, it just makes sense for me to get a scarf in a similar type of color. And also I am really interested in getting one of their navy scarves too. I'm eyeing that next, and I'm also on the hunt for a lavender color scarf to match this other bag that I have, but I haven't really found one that I liked yet. I know that Burberry did like a light purple color scarf in the past, but I don't think they have that anymore. But yeah, I'm on the lookout for one. So out of these items from Dior, one of them is actually from my husband, and I'll save that one for last because it's definitely my favorite. So let's start with this box first. And between the other 2 boxes, I actually don't know what's in either box. Both of them look so similar, but I think if you've watched my recent shopping vlog where I was shopping at Dior, you probably have an idea of what's in both of these boxes already. So one of these I actually did not intend on buying myself, but I kind of somewhat got sucked in because there was a sale going on. So for this box, let's see. Destroying the bags and boxes like I do in every single one of these unboxing videos. So this one, okay, this is the one that I had intended on getting. So it is their, let me wrap it the other way. So it is their 30-month hand belt, and it's in the thinner width, and this one is reversible. And let me take off this sticker on the hardware so you can see it better. I actually sold a very similar belt that I had in my collection. That one was a thicker belt, and I just didn't really use it that much, so I wanted to sell that one so I could purchase this one instead, because this one is in a thinner width, and I thought that this would get much more use in my collection. So this is what it looks like. It has this CD logo on it, and this belt is actually reversible. So one side is a black leather, and you can just twist this buckle over here, and then you can use it on the side that's this white leather. It's sort of like an off-white actually. It's not like a very stark white. So yeah, I think I really enjoyed this belt a lot more than the other one I had, and I just think that the value is pretty good because you do kind of like get 2 belts in one. Even my husband thinks the value for this is good, and he never feels that way about luxury items. Okay, so this next box over here is actually also another belt, and this is the one that was on sale. And while the other belt, which is the 30-month hand belt, I knew I wanted to get it for myself this Christmas, I was honestly just waiting for the holiday packaging to come in at Dior before I bought it. This second one, however, I bought partially because it was 40% off. So this one is, honestly, I don't think I'll wear it quite as much, but I really do like it, even though I think some of you guys are not the biggest fan of it, and neither is my husband. So this one is in a brown color instead of black, so they're different enough in my opinion. And this one definitely does not show up as well on camera because it's kind of like, it's got 2 pieces to the belt. As you can see, there's one piece that is a braided piece of leather, and then the bottom one is just like a single piece of leather straight across. And the quality of both of these belts is so great. I think that not all designer belts are made equal. Some of them are kind of like a cash grab. There's no real design element to it. They just slap their logo on it and that's it. But I really do think that Dior puts a lot of effort into their belts. And yeah, as I mentioned, the quality of the leather is just amazing. And I don't think I've seen any other designer belt come close to the quality of the ones that Dior makes. So last year for Christmas, I had got myself a necklace from Dior's Rose d'Avant's fine jewelry collection. And ever since getting that necklace, I've become such a huge fan of that collection of jewelry from them. So for Christmas this year, my husband decided to gift me another necklace, which was on my wish list. And yeah, I really love this necklace. I think I might like it more than the one that I got for myself last year. So I actually had a little bit of a change of heart on the next necklace that I wanted from Dior. At the beginning of this year, there was another one that was on my wish list, but this one is actually a newer release of theirs, and ever since this came out, this became the next necklace that I wanted from Dior. Now I also want some other jewelry from the same collection too, but yeah, maybe next year or in the future, I'll add more to my collection. So inside here, it's actually very fancy packaging. So they give you both that really gorgeous gift box, and then there is the box for their fine jewelry. And then in here at the front, down here, there's this little tab where you can find like their authenticity card in, and then this is where the necklace is actually placed. So inside here is the really gorgeous necklace. It's really small, so I'm going to have to do a close-up to see, but let me flip over the diamonds on the side first. So this is another one of the Rose d'Avant's necklace, and it's a smaller motif in the middle, and then on the two sides there's one little diamond on each side. And this is in rose gold with an onyx stone in the center. And it's just so pretty. I love the little details they put on this necklace. By the way, those two diamonds on the side do have a tendency to flip over. So just keep that in mind if you're interested in this necklace yourself. But yeah, this is just, it's so pretty. And I didn't think I would be a fan of the onyx stone. When I saw it on, you know, like the Van Cleef and Arpels pendants, I was like, it's probably not for me. But the mix of this being on the rose gold metal with the 8-point star in the center and the little diamonds that kind of like surround it, I just think it is so pretty. You can wear it with the necklace like flipped over and you'll just get this tiny little onyx stone on the back. Yeah, I'll try to make it so that you guys can see this. But yeah, that's what the back of it looks like. And even the back of the diamonds on the side looks really nice because it kind of looks almost like a daisy, because you have like the little diamond in the center and then it's surrounded by kind of what could look like flower petals in a way. So this necklace is really gorgeous. I've already tried it on and it looks great on. It layers really nicely with my other pendants. And I know at least one of you guys also has the same exact pendant necklace. So yeah, we have matching necklaces now. And honestly, I can't say enough good things about this collection of fine jewelry from Dior. I highly recommend it. And I kind of have a bracelet on my wish list from the same exact collection now. So that is it for this what I got for Christmas video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please do give this video a thumbs up. And once again, good luck to those of you guys who are entering the giveaway with Dossier, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing for lots more luxury and fashion content in the future. And I'll leave 2 videos on the screen for you to watch next, so I'll see you very soon. Bye for now, and also Happy New Year!